The video prowess of the Galaxy S6 harks back to the issue I faced with the screen: it's too high res. Well, not too, as that suggests the quality is diminished in some way by being QHD, but it doesn't really add much. The visuals are glorious, and if you fancy playing back any 4K YouTube, then it's definitely an improved experience. But general video watching didn't inspire that wow moment I expected, rather just a satisfied nod of the head that the Super AMOLED display was doing its job. Samsung Galaxy S6 Review. Samsung reckons the speaker at the bottom of the phone is the right place for it, allowing for the best sound quality. It's really not. The front-facing speakers of the HTC One range, or even recent Sony phones, are better as the sound is directed in the correct way, rather than shooting out in a direction that can be easily covered by the hand. The sound is decent enough considering it's popping out of a mono speaker, with a lot more bass than I expected, but it's still just a good phone speaker, which means it's something to be embarrassed about showing off in public. It does the job for showing off YouTube clips, but lacks the impressive audio quality of HTC's boom sound. What is good, confusing is something I alluded to earlier: the video playback doesn't hurt the battery too much. Given it's powering a lot of pixels for a long time, it shows that Super AMOLED technology is rather efficient in this regard.